What's good, y'all? It's your boy John back here at Six Flags Magic Mountain. Today is Monday, February 28th, and I'm here for a Wonder Woman update, so let's get on into it. One quick shot that I wanted to get before I left this area is that we were checking in on some of those bigger supports that were for the bottom of the drop last time, but what I did notice is they put a couple of flanges on, coming off, going up into the dive. We got that one right there, as well as they got one on at the top right there. I definitely didn't notice those last time, and I don't think that there was a flange on that lower support as well that was over there. I'm gonna double check, but I'm pretty sure those are new in the area. So with these next few shots, I'm not really going to talk too much because there isn't too much to talk about, but I just want to give you a look at what it's currently looking like as of today. Here's a shot just going around from the entrance of Riddler's to like the front of Justice League. Just a wide angle from in front of the DC Universe area. Here's a shot from just in front of the bumper cars next to the barbecue restaurant. Just a quick pan back and forth. Want to get a shot here. It's going to be kind of hard to see, but this is a shot facing back towards the DC Universe area. You're going to see that they have gone vertical with what appears to be, I think it's going to be the restroom replacement over in the area. I can see some framing that's gone up. I'm going to go over towards like Drop a Doob and see if I could get a better look from there, but might be hard to tell, but you can see some framing off into the distance in front of the old Superstore DC store, and kind of by where like the Flash once was. Checking in over here by the DC Universe entrance area, wasn't able to see the part where they were going vertical. It might be behind this section right here, behind the old Wonder Woman. That might have been what I was seeing from over, by Riddler's exit, but I'm not exactly sure if it's over there or maybe to the left over here more. It does look like they're working on the station, like we noticed last update. I'm not sure exactly what they're doing, maybe just rerouting the entrance to go through the center instead of the side, like how it used to for Green Lantern. Besides that, not too much going on that I can notice. I'll check back in on this area in a few days. That's going to conclude today's Wonder Woman update. I'll be back at the park pretty much every day this week. I'm going to stop by after work. I'll be in the area. If anything significant happens, I'll upload it immediately. If not, we'll release another update in the next couple days. Appreciate everybody tuning in as always. Thank you so much for the love and support. Until the next update, this is John. This has been your theme park ERT.